Hello and welcome. Ava here with the Candid Cash Flow podcast and HeyYoAva.com. I just thought I'd put together a quick video to cover Keywords Everywhere, which is a great keyword research tool. It's free. You'll find it available at keywordseverywhere.com, where you will find the store links to both Chrome and Firefox. Once you install it, it installs up here as a browser extension. And it returns data for all of these websites listed here. I believe there are 16 of them altogether. And it displays this information right in the search. So if I go to Google and I search, let's do it up here just in case. I search keyword research. Normal, right? Normal, just search or whatever. Here's my Keywords Everywhere data right here. So it tells me that this term globally is searched 5,400 times per month. The cost per click is $6.40. And the competition ratio or whatever is 0.49, which I don't know what that means. I don't pay any attention to it. I usually try to hit things in like the 20,000 search volume range. Anyway, so there you see, anytime you search with this on any of these 16 sites listed here, you get this data underneath your search box. So that's how it works directly in search. Now, I like to use it to evaluate or analyze the value of my keywords. But first we got to get some keywords. So I like to use keyword.io because I can search any of these sites. I always start with Google. So let's just use our example, keyword research. Now in here you would type your basic keyword, whatever it is. If your basic keyword is weight loss, you type weight loss in there. You can specify your country, blah blah blah. Alright, so type that in and click search. So this is going to pull results for Google. And it has found 473 keywords. And you can just kind of scroll through here and see what you got. Best way to do keyword research. They want you to sign up because that way you get unlimited searches go away. I'm pretty sure I'm already a loser. Yes, I'm definitely already a loser and a user, so let's just log in so this will go away. Alright, so and that just totally reset what I was doing. Thank you a lot for that. Keyword research. Sorry about that. Alright. So back to our list. If you just kind of look here, you'll see you got a list of 473 keywords. And what I do is I click add all, and that's going to add them all over here. Ugh. This site has not been this annoying in the past, honestly. So I believe, let's export it. And I'm going to copy this selection directly to the clipboard. Then I'm going to go up to Keywords Everywhere, click it. Bulk upload keywords. So I'm going to click that and it's going to open this window here where I can paste my list of keywords, and I'm going to be able to get search volume and cost per click for those words. So we'll just let it run and do its thing here. You know, I have this problem. It will run all but just the last few, and then it'll sit here and spin forever. I guess this is the caveat of using free tools. I'm gonna run this again. Hopefully be able to get through it this time. There we go. Okay, so you see I have several options here to export this data. I like to go in and see I want to know the search volume. That's pretty much what I go by. So here I would use keywords out of this list. I would use anything in this mid-range here. Long tail. So tools for keyword research. So, and I use this for my headlines, like for my blog titles, my podcast show titles. This is what I use to get my keywords. So if I were to do a whole podcast episode on using keywords everywhere, or keyword research rather, this I would definitely have tools for keyword research in that title. Free keyword research tool. There's some really great keywords right here, right in the middle, that you could rank for and really dominate. So there you have it. You know, I'm not an SEO. I'm not a professional on keyword research. Just kind of stick to the basics. Like I said before, I don't even know what this competition, what these numbers mean. I've seen these on other sites, and it'll have like 35 will be like yellow, and I guess like you're going for like the lower competition. I don't know. I don't care. I care about this number here and how many people are searching for my keyword. So anyway, that is how I use keywords everywhere to do my keyword research. Really simple, free tool. Like I said, you know, I'm not trying to be a professional SEO or anything. I just want an easy way to do my research so that I'm actually doing some research and not just guessing. So that's that. I hope you will subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified of all my latest tutorial videos. I will be doing these from time to time, maybe once per week or so. Hey, listen to the Candid Cashflow podcast. I release new episodes each Wednesday. Visit my website, heyoava.com. All the information is there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.